Hello dear friends, today I am excited to share a comprehensive guide on modernizing a basic desktop for use in a home workshop. To do this we need to bleach a few pieces of plywood. Then glue them together as shown in the video. For gluing, I utilize high-quality standard wood glue to ensure a strong and lasting bond. After the pieces are glued, I proceed to enhance the sturdiness of the design by reinforcing it with durable cell screws for added reliability. My design screws onto the end of the desktop. Following the attachment process, it is imperative to prepare multiple plywood blanks, ensuring they have the appropriate thickness tailored to the specific needs of your design structure. Notice how the following bars are screwed on. That is, the inside pass is much wider than the outside pass. And as a guide, you need to use the width of the clamp that we will use when working. It is absolutely essential to ensure that the stump, or more precisely its supporting mechanism, can move freely and effortlessly while in this position. I don't provide specific dimensions as it is already completely evident how to carry out this process. What width to saw? Everything comes from your needs and accordingly your structures. Kindly take into account that the workpiece may be securely fixed on any section of the desktop where it will stay stable and firmly in place. The structure can be used almost any, both quick clamping and screw. In addition, the thickness of the workpiece also does not matter. It all depends solely on the working width of your structures. The workpieces are held firmly enough and you can work with them. Design. We make his desktop improvements quite simple. It can be done in principle. From scrap materials. Moreover, there will absolutely be no restrictions whatsoever. Along the length of the workpiece. The sole constraint you'll encounter pertains to the dimensions of your desk's width and length. Diverging from traditional vices, this setup grants you freedom from being confined to any particular workstation or fixed desktop area, allowing you to operate virtually across the entire perimeter. Set addition. I hope this life hack will be useful to you in your work of luck. Subscribe to the channel, I need your support.